Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off automatic dubbing on YouTube, the updated method, like to translate your video live into other languages. So first thing, open your YouTube, then click on the top right corner on your YouTube channel icon here, then click on YouTube Studio. After that, you go to settings here, click on it. Then, as you know, the old method was to find auto translation here in advanced settings when you go to upload defaults, but now it is not here anymore. So first thing, make sure that you have the advanced features here. You can check it going to channel, then feature eligibility, make sure that it is enabled. Then on the same page on channel, click on advanced settings here, scroll down a little bit and you find automatic dubbing. So you can choose to allow automatic dubbing by default, or you can manually review dubs before publishing. You can choose it for all the languages, or you can only choose it for experimental languages only, which means that YouTube is still working on them and they are not perfect yet. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.